everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm doing part 3 of my series. This one I'm going to do a dustpan, but I'm going to do one with like puddles. Just pour some puddles in the dustpan. And then the other one, I'm going to do a dirty pour in the cup, and then I'm going to pour it in the dustpan. Because I don't know if I can do it. Doing it in the dustpan, it's not going to get much of a dirty pour out of it. So, and I'm going to have to do one at a time. I do have 2 dustpans, but I can't set it down. So, but I'll keep my paints in the order. So the colors I'm going to use today are, this is Decoart's Metallic Sapphire. I can't remember if this is the deep sapphire or just the sapphire. And I have the wrong lid on it for some reason. I'm going to use Decoart's Dazzling Metallic Peacock Pearl in SoHo's Prussian Blue. I'm going to use Blinkrylic's Florescent Violet. And I'm going to use Amsterdam's Titanium White, just a little bit in there. Gosh darn it, where am I getting all these little crumbles? And then I'm going to use Artist Love Neon Pink. So that will be, it's going to be fun. I want to have some negative space. So I'm only going to use a small cup for the dirty one. I think this is like a 5-ounce cup or 6-ounce, something like that. What in the world? And then I'm just going to start putting some puddles down here. I'm going to start with the pink. Hopefully I don't drip all over. I do thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I'm having a lot of fun doing this little series. It's just kind of fun to see, like literally doing the same technique, but in the same colors. I'm not the same technique, similar technique, but like different. I don't know how to say it, because I'm doing one, like I've been doing a layered cup and then a dirty pour, and then I did like a ring pour, and then I did what did I do for the first one? Flip cups. So it's kind of cool to see how different each one will be. These colors are so pretty together. But I hope you guys are enjoying the series. I appreciate your guys' support. If you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you'll enjoy it and come back and hit that notification bell. Do all that fun jazz for me. It helps my channel out tremendously, and it costs nothing to you. And for my returning people, I love you guys. You guys are amazing, supporting me. I appreciate you guys so much. All your comments. I do read all of the comments that are made. Some of them take me a few days to get to, but I do get to them and I do comment back. And I appreciate everybody supporting my channel. Slowly growing, but I'm growing. When I get to 1,000, I'm gonna have a giveaway. So I'm excited about that. All right, so let's see. So let's start on this one here, and I'm just gonna kind of go down the middle and do some little funky whatnots. I don't know. We'll see what we get here. I don't want to go off the edge, but How pretty is that? Oh my goodness. Love it. Ugh. Beautiful. Let that run off there. Torch it real quick. I love the bands that I'm getting. They're beautiful. These colors are pretty together. I was hoping I'd get a little bit more of the hot pink through here, but that's okay. I'm not gonna tilt this too much because I actually just like it how it is. It's beautiful. I'm just gonna leave it. I'm not gonna tilt it at all. All right, so this one I'm going to do same colors in the row, same lineup, but I'm gonna do a dirty pour. So I had a person that was left a comment saying that I need to make my dirty pours. I need to have a little bit more plop to them. I guess my last ones were a little too layered rather than plopping in there, so she said I needed to put a little bit more at the bottom, so let's do that. The pink. And then we're going to start just plopping them in there. Then we'll get more of a dirty pour. But I appreciate the comments letting me know, like, what you guys, you know, if you think I need to do something a little bit different. Not all these techniques have I don't do a lot of. So I appreciate all the suggestions. Okay. I probably put a little too much in this cup. I don't know if I'm going to need it all, but and let's see here. Okay, I see lots of bubbles, so I'm gonna have to definitely torch this one. Just trying to work it down so I can get it down here at the bottom. All right, here we go. Oh, that pink is so cool. I really wish I would have got more of that green up there though, but that's okay. All right. Let me torch this because I have a lot of bubbles in here. I definitely like this one better. Maybe I should have done more of a ring pour rather than just leaving it. But I wanted to do a dirty one, so I did a dirty pour correct this time. I really wish I would have had more color in the middle though. It's just so blue. Like this one's got beautiful colors. I don't know, let's see. I think I'm gonna go ahead and layer my cup up some more and then do it more rings. Good thing I took Mina Villegas's suggestions, because she told me the best thing, it's always best to leave extra paint. Just in case you don't like something, you have paint to do what you need to do to correct it. So thank you, Mina. I appreciate that, because I'm definitely appreciating that in this pour for sure. Look at how pretty that is. Ooh. All right, so I'm just going to leave this on here. I don't know, let me see. Maybe I'll get off some of that really, really extra paint without trying to mess it up too terribly much. Because I really want to have the negative space there. Okay. So I'm going to do a little bit more rings in here. Okay. Sorry, I'm going to lean on the table a little bit. Kind of, my back is not doing so well. Okay, here we go. Now, obviously, I know I'm not going to get it right on top of what I have, but that's okay if I have some of that underneath of there. I don't mind it. Now that is pretty. Definitely like this better. Gotta make sure you get your air bubbles. Especially when you have a white canvas and you're doing like the darker colors, you don't want to have, it'll give you like little white pinholes is what it looks like once it dries. So you don't want to have that. Just trying to get the little spots that I touched. Definitely like this better. Definitely. I like the lines or the banding. I really like that. I think still this one is my favorite. But they're both beautiful. Beautiful. And once again, in case you didn't notice, for my returning people, I did not use gold again. See, I can do it without gold. For those of you who are new, like I am obsessed. I love adding 24 karat gold in my paintings. And so I always get teased when I do collaborations with some people. If we do like challenges where they can tell me like 3 do's, 3 don'ts, they always take the gold away from me. Alrighty, I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Okay, I'm going to bring it down for close. Apologize for the light up above. But just look at how beautiful those colors are. And I will have some shimmer in here from the Peacock Pearl. Sorry, I kind of lost focus there. And the metallic Sapphire. So pretty. I'm sorry, it keeps losing focus there. There's that one. It's pretty. I like these little things coming out. That's pretty cool. All right, here we go with this one. And this one's actually kind of cool because it looks like almost like, well, obviously because it's layered. So that's pretty cool. Look at how beautiful those bands are. Lines, whatever you want to call them. I call them bands, but just beautiful. And the colors are so vibrant. So pretty. I lost my little thingies, but that's okay. I still like it. And I got some cool cells popping up over here. That's pretty cool. Very cool. So you guys have to tell me what you think. Do we like the puddle pour, I think is what you will call it? If it's not, please tell me. And this one, dirty ring pour. The other one's dirty, top is ring. All right, you have to tell me what you guys think. I do appreciate everybody watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you will subscribe and comment, please. It helps my channel out tremendously. I'm trying to grow my channel to get to 1,000. And I appreciate every single one of you guys. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe from COVID and just healthy in general. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye.